can possess them. But number two, Satan also can destroy them. Okay? Satan can destroy them. Why? Ano po yung pwede ma-destroy ni Satanas sa atin? Well, he can destroy your family. Look at these two men. Where were they living? In their homes, with their wives, with their children? No, they were living in what? Tombs. They were living in dark places. Well, of course, men love darkness rather than light. Why? Because they are possessed by darkness. They live in sin. Why? Because they are possessed by sin. So they are destroyed, their families are destroyed, they have no friends. Satan aims to destroy us. Because the only way that we can be out from the possession of Satan is to be in the Lord Jesus Christ. Kasi sabi, alam niyo po, ang prinsipyo ni Satanas, hindi ito prinsipyo ng sanlibutan, kinopya lang ito ng sanlibutan. Sabi ni Satanas, sana all. Diba? Pauso si Satanas, no? Sana all. No? Bakit ako lang pupunta ng impyerno? Sana all. Ang Satanas ko niyan eh, lingwahe. No? So, huwag na kayo, kung meron sana all. Kung sana all man, sana all tayo punta ng langit. Satan aims to destroy us. He wants to destroy our dreams. He wants to destroy our family. And alam niyo po, dito po sa Hong Kong or sa mga abroad natin sa inyo, ang gustong-gusto ni Satanas na sirain ay yung ating mga pamilya. No? It is the work of Satan. He wants to destroy us not only in relationship, but he wants to destroy our minds. Okay? Sinisira ni Satanas din yung minds natin. Paano? Eh, pag may mga problema tayo, parang hindi na tayo makapag-work or hindi tayo makapag-isip, destroyed or distracted na tayo. Is the work of Satan. Is the work of the enemy. And I believe Satan is a thief. He is the one who is, nakawising us. Inanakaw niya tayo sa Diyos. But we also are helping people to come to know the Lord Jesus Christ.